Hey guys, Brian from Reef and Retriever, and today I'm going to show you how to change your FedEx password. So first we're going to go to the FedEx screen. We use billing a lot, so go to billing and invoicing. When you get to this screen, scroll down to the parcel and air freight billing login button. Now go to the forgot your user ID or password link below the orange login button. Click on it. Click reset your password. For this, you'll need your user ID. Enter the user ID. Hit submit. Now FedEx wants to know how you want the verification codes. This is a 6-digit code FedEx is going to send you. You can choose email, text, or a phone call. We're going to choose email. Now go to your email and get the 6-digit code that was just emailed to you. The email should look something like this. Once you get the 6-digit code, enter it and hit continue. Now you're going to enter a new password. FedEx has some requirements for your password. First, the password must be between 12 and 15 characters, include at least one number, include at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter, not contain 3 or more consecutive occurrences of the same character, no spaces, tildes, single quotes, double quotes, greater than or less than signs, and it cannot contain your user ID. So once you come up with a good password, go ahead and enter it twice. Hit the submit button. And there you go. You've changed your FedEx password. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-441-8085. Thanks a lot.